So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if Microsoft Store is missing from your laptop. If you are not able to find the Microsoft Store in any of the laptop previews, for example the All Apps section right there, if you are not able to find the Microsoft Store, how you can fix that? All you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. Now here you have to search for Microsoft Store right there. Microsoft Store, search for Microsoft Store and open this first website that appear right in front of you that says apps.microsoftstore.com. Now here, once you open this website, it shows you the option to download and install the Microsoft Store right there. Here we go. If you are not able to do that, simply click on this option of download and install Microsoft and hit on this option of download right there, and it will start downloading the Microsoft Store for you. There we go. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.